Welcome back to Finding Haleness. Today is going to be a very short video. It was the grain mix treatment today, and I feel awful. The day has been very rough. The pressure points that are used during treatment have been hurting all day. Started hurting instantly. I actually fought a headache all day today. Immediately following the treatment, not before the treatment. My stomach has been in knots all day, and it's been painful. And my joints have been hurting, which is a really common side effect for people who have gluten intolerance, but it is not generally one of mine. So that was new. I've just felt terrible all day, and I'm gonna go to bed so that these 25 hours can end promptly. So I'm hoping, like all the other days after the 25 hours, I'll feel fine and it won't linger. I'm not looking forward to next week where we break down the grain mix into gluten and barley and rye and all the other grains that I react to, because if it's anything like today, I just have to mentally prepare that I'm going to feel awful, but remind myself that it's temporary and that it could be curing my celiac disease, or at least greatly helping it. So it's going to be worth it, and I imagine it must be doing something, otherwise I wouldn't be feeling anything. So even though today's been horrible, it's a good sign that something is changing in my body. And to recap, the last appointment, which was for yeast, that day was no biggie. It really wasn't. I mean, I felt nauseous, but it was easy to avoid, and the nausea wasn't that bad. It kind of came and went. So sometimes it was really bad, and then some of the day I didn't feel anything at all. And then if you guys ever do an a.e.t, just remember when you do have symptoms to do those pressure points like you're instructed to do, and it actually really does help with getting rid of those symptoms and makes you feel a little better. So anyway, today's been terrible, and I'm excited for it though. I'm gonna go get some sleep this feeling off, hopefully, and I will see you next week.